parang if you're going to hide something because you feel na baka maalog yung relationship nyo, then baka sign din yun na hindi pa solid yung foundation nyo. Dapat kasi if there are problems, diba, confident kayo na we're gonna work on a solution together.
Yes.
Hindi yung, hindi ko na lang sasabihin kasi baka magalit siya.
Yes.
Parang kung takot ka na ganon, it's not gonna be good for your relationship kasi maiipon ng maiipon tas one day, ay, break na kami.
Or kung tatanong ka, ano pa tinatago mo? Diba? Parang once masira kasi yung trust, parang you doubt everything else.
Yeah,
diba? And for me, then yung parang, ayoko kasi yung rason na, hindi ko sinabi kasi ayaw kita masaktan.
Yeah.
I hate that reason.
Oo, hindi okay yun.
It's like, okay, so ba't mo ginawa in the first place? If you knew from the beginning that it's going to hurt me, why did you even do it?
Yeah.
That for me is already a sign na parang, okay, so alam mo masasaktan ako, ginawa mo pa din. Okay, so that's why I hate that excuse. Pag sinasabi na, I did tell you because ayoko ta masaktan.
Yeah, or kunyari, it's not a big deal. Or like, kung ano mang palusot,
Kung ano palusot, it's not a big deal. I didn't mean it.
Oo. Parang,
What do you mean?
I think it's important to be honest with each other.